Hi everyone, Josh here. I hope you're doing well. So in this video, I want to talk to you about how you can make your first sale on Amazon. So I'm guessing if you're watching this video, it's something that you're interested in doing, but you probably don't really know where to start. And trust me, I know the score because I've been there myself, and I've spoken to lots of people who've been in the exact same situation as you. So the focus of this video is we're going to be answering two specific questions. The first one is, how do you make your first sale? Because the first is, well, they say you always remember your first, and your first sale on Amazon is going to be not only one of the most exciting, but one of the most memorable. All right, and then we're going to talk about how long it's going to take to actually make it, because you're probably thinking, well, how much time have I got to put in, how much effort have I got to put in before I make that first sale? So by the end of the video, I'm also going to show you how I can personally help you to make that first sale. So here are some top tips on making your first sale on Amazon. First of all, you need to make sure that you get your Amazon seller account set up the right way. Lots of people do this step wrong when they go about getting registered. They just go through the form really quickly, but you actually need to sit down, take some time and fill in the information correctly. Make sure you pick the right account level that suits your personal circumstances, whether you're an individual, whether you're a business or a sole trader, whatever it is. Make sure you set your account up the right way, and it's going to help you to get going quicker. If you set your account up wrong, you're going to fail verification, and then it's going to take you longer to get going. And I often find that people who are not invested in some sort of program or something like that, that when they first get started, if they hit a hurdle, they're more likely to give up. And it makes me sad to think all of the potential sales and opportunity they miss out on because they quit at that hurdle. So make sure you get your account set up the right way, first of all. Next, keep it simple. Most people tend to go into this game overcomplicating it. You do not need to start by importing stuff from China. You don't need to buy in bulk from wholesale to be successful on Amazon. Those two strategies absolutely work. They're 100% profitable, but they're not great for beginners. If you're just getting started, then you probably don't want to get involved in those types of things. You don't need to run any ads. Lots of people, once again, think when they sell on Amazon, you have to run ads. It's simply not the case. I only started running ads for my, I've been running ads for my own products, but for products that I sell that don't belong to me, I haven't been running ads unless it's been in the last year. And I've been selling on Amazon for, well, since 2013 now, so quite a while. You don't need your own product either to make your first sale on Amazon. You can literally do this with other people's products that already exist. And that's my next point. You should be selling products that already exist on Amazon, as in you're not creating your own listings. So you're finding products that people are already searching for, that are already listed, and sell those. We're talking existing products, not like finding something from China and selling it alongside a listing, because you shouldn't do that. You should find something that is actually selling, like I haven't got anything here I can use as an example, but maybe you're selling this book here. You find one of these books, you sell it alongside the listing, create your own offer for it. So sell products that already exist. And the other thing that I would recommend doing is reducing your risk by buying one-offs. So just buy by singles of multiple different products. So you buy one of one thing, and one of another thing, one of another thing. Don't invest in like 5, 10, 15, 20, 100 of any one particular product. Buy one-offs. And the best way I recommend to do that is with pre-owned products. Most people, or a lot of people who sell on Amazon, don't realize that you can actually sell pre-owned used condition goods on Amazon's marketplace. Unless you're an Amazon shopper who likes to buy pre-owned, or perhaps you've already been selling pre-owned on Amazon. Otherwise, most people don't realize that that is actually doable, and it's 100% one of the best ways to get started as a new seller. Because you can start with a few bits and bobs you've got around the house. You don't even need to get too serious with it. So next, let's talk about how long it's going to take to make your first sale. Well, unfortunately, the answer is it depends. There are some variables at play here, all right? And I'm sure if I just explain this, you'll understand exactly where I'm coming from. How much money do you have to invest in stock? Have you got £1, £10, £10,000? If you've got £10,000 to invest in stock, then you're going to have more products for sale, which means more chances of getting your sale in a shorter space of time. Next, how much time do you have to invest? If you've got lots of money but you've got no time to actually spend listing the products, well then it's going to take you a little while longer to get that first sale in. Next, have you got someone who's already experienced showing you the way? Because people who get started and don't really know what they're doing, they're going to make mistakes, and they're going to have to figure out how to do everything, find their way around Amazon Seller Central, which is the dashboard that you get into once you have an Amazon Seller account, all these different types of things. So if you've got a reasonable amount of cash to invest, you've got some time to put in, and you've got someone helping you, showing you the way, then you can do it pretty quick. In fact, in my experience, new sellers can secure their sale within the first 7 to 10 days of getting started, which I think is pretty reasonable, within 7 to 10 days of getting your account opened and some products listed for sale. Now, how can I help you to make that first sale? Well, guys, I'm hosting an online challenge that I call the Make Your First Sale Challenge. I'm going to be running them once per month, and you can join the next challenge by visiting makeyourfirstsale.com. There's a link below this video as well where you can go and join that. There is a very small fee, like literally less than a couple of meal deals from Tesco's, just so that I know that you've got some skin in the game. And over the next 10 days from when you join or when the next challenge starts, because I'm recording this video, the next challenge starts in a couple of days from when I'm recording this video, but otherwise it could well be a Monday, not too long in the future, a week or so from whenever you're watching this video. So click the link, see when the next challenge is. Like I said, for less than the cost of less than a couple of meal deals, you get me to personally help you to make your first sale on Amazon in the Make Your First Sale Challenge. Click the link below this video if you want to get started. And also, if you've got any questions about making your first sale, let me know in the comments below. I want to know what you guys are struggling with, what your questions are with regards to getting started selling on Amazon, so that I can help you overcome that first hurdle. Because I know that once you make that first sale, you're going to get addicted. And from there on, the opportunities are endless. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. Give me a like if you did. Always subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos that I've got coming out on the topic of selling on Amazon. Otherwise, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.